Central Texas, Navarro County in north central Texas until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hubbard, or 19 miles southeast of Hillsboro, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corsicana, Cairns, Hubbard, Trinidad, Blooming Grove, Dawson, Angus, Barry, Navarro, Bryce, Retreat, Oak Valley, Mildred, Mount Calm, Eureka, Malone, Goodloe, Penelope, Powell, and Emmaus. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 221 and 242. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 181, effective until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Ellis and Kaufman. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.